The introduction of next-generation vehicles into the training fleet of the United States Secret Service represents a critical advancement in our modernization strategy. As the operational fleet of the Secret Service evolves, it is essential that our personnel have access to advanced platforms that mirror what they might encounter in real-world scenarios, ensuring that readiness begins on day one. This initiative, in partnership with General Motors, directly supports the Secret Service's commitment to modernizing training by working with a fleet that reflects the complexity of today's threat environment. The Secret Service empowers our training cadre with the skills and tools needed to adapt, respond, and succeed.